and dial *447*70#. Now I select option 5. Now I submit your contact details now for verification. You can also visit www.petratrust.com for further inquiries. About your Petra there, what you almost know, sorry, and UTS Petra achieve more. Next caller, hello, good afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon,
Petra from saying,
yeah, Nana Bellyman, Casafi Cantaman.
Nana Pacho Coenim.
Oh, gradually, Mamina, Yamiasi, Emma, my black boy, my enemy, Lenny Cantaman, Lintex, Funina, and young Pokemon, and say yes, anyone. Okay, efficiency, there's one or two months, for Mamma Young, from one hour, a responsible for Bonin. Again, a Christo, Adrian, Swabo, a home bank. Emma, after private tree, and let's say, I'm assuming getting for one. Yet, the Australian phone once, yet, practically, I'm since Mamma platform, I'm one of plus, and I know fans, Namia Dom, even who you're there, and I'm just a damn Australian phone. Gradually, the Namia from Small Black.
Yes, we that's a pa, Yame Insha. Yeah, for free food, you. Hello, good afternoon.
Afternoon, gradually.
If I try to say,
thank you. This is your new support.
Mahunda da yenko enim.
Gradually, we some day I'm asking. Bring now, cost of bomb home buying. Many my busia, nememba. The cost of a sample idea maintain and a mission, gradually.
Amen.
Mamma is more. That is Pastor Pastor.
You.
Pastor Miss Pastor. New for Voice of Christ. Pastor Levy on the year. The Chiama. Bye.
Bye bye. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, for free food you on INT on also there or they and before that, yeah, fast that Kojak Pharma Limited on my Kojak P toothpaste and then the mouthwash and I Kojak F toothpaste and also and then the mouthwash and a Kojak sensitive toothbrush. We patch out who they are there and are there chilled and are there hot now. Say film there's all the choosing any use to Kojak F toothpaste and then the mouthwash. Ebejai or there any severe one pa no nampa no den pa no you see Kojak P toothpaste in the mouthwash continuously for 4 weeks. Now later we'll switch it to Kojak F. Ebeko open best result. I now the Kojak sensitive toothbrush no account edit tree. BBR be fine. Nina available for pharmacy shops out on in across the country. The door partner Kojak from a track or Kanshi drug lane. Yes, our free 0260 870 780 and our 0249 209 920. FDA4 Puvisa and Kratwe. Hello, good afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon.
Pacho, Maunesu Kakrama and I don't come.
Hello, good afternoon.
Great. You're from saying?
I said, Mikokwala, I'm a Casasi business. Oh, Medina, me ask Mama Bravo, and I feel me, I'm a master, master too. Namishiano, until I was looking at them, Mamma Miss Maniam, Samuel Juma. And I bred you one Cassan, Medina, me ask Mo. Amen. I'm your boy, dear Nip of a Nanasa Amperfect. Adom work in
you.
I think Medina, me ask Ama, Bucures, Madina Bucures, crazy. Then I ask Mumina Bravo. You. So Edawa say, happy birthday, Enkoma Kwame Inshiraba Adom of Christ Foundation International School on the Spinkters Road. From Grandma Christy, wishing you God's blessings, strength, and then long life. You're 4 years old today, the 23rd of May, 2019. And then Kojo Kwadad. Okay. Kojo Kwadade. Also, so University of Professional Studies, UPSA. Also, Nyame Adom Ochna, and now be 20 years. That's tomorrow, the 24th of May. Still, we in Sophia, Grandma Christy, Nenchaya, always show long life, and then sound mind. I'll be there now with me. Nimuti. Happy birthday, and call Emma Munina. Hello, good afternoon.
Yeah, afternoon, Jerry.
Patrick Rose. You battery too.
But you me there ready as mommy yere. Oh Jerry, I'm a yeri yali na ko do. Internet o tin kwema ho. Me me there ready as me tia me blawo anka se bla James eni me ma me mu nyina. There ready as obi biara.
Okay. Yes, we that's pa. You better last 2 calls now. You the offering abewie. Hello, good afternoon. Hello. Good afternoon.
Hello. Good afternoon.
Patrick Frost.
Good morning, Jerry. Patrick, let me just speak. Make a search for no condition.
Anna, good morning.
Hey, good afternoon, Jerry.
Hey, Jerry, if I train you,
my second born and 3 years and dear my Georgia. Miss Renamia, who they need cheer and the bamboo, the Pebia, Yamia, so we ask the man or the bass office to know instantly ye. My uncle will be an uncle, no, beside but opera rock star, and Miss Row. Bo rockstar Jumbia man de hian say ye beka rockstar wo mu na koma to ne yem
ene mama am for manunka rockstar anyways time so e betimi abo rockstar e be why and that's a power for your call. Yeah, you find a last caller. Hello. Good afternoon. Me ba try for saying
I should be
okay
and a cash
a trouble Kashigbe. You okay, it's you.
I use some Tamia. So, I mean, I didn't watch me. My name is Christ about 50. Who look at another day, even some Madame June. Now, command also to radio so now, to recassa. No, me, machine. It said yesterday, they made me. Yamisha ya the Kasiba comment, the car could not put them off. Oh, after road. Yamia the movie Umbra, the same cash in your couple in the white mamma. After them to two, the man, because they can't hear you know. Obias was a Dimu now. We had the Kasian,
Amen. Amen. Yes, sir. That's a point to me for free beam. Yesterday was your birthday, Mr. Richard Kofi Mafo or Abeka Presby Church. We wishing you a happy birthday, though belated. We if he answer Becoin Nenchain and or the buy. Right. Your first day, your ma. Guarantee Trust Bank Ghana Limited. You can hear from GT Bank, and they only Visa Kabum. I just say, Omama Krumaya and it's saying GT Bank and Visa International. I reward the customers. Yeah, I'm be making payment with their for a minimum of 20 online and then POS transactions. No. Me wa Reverend Bernard Amankwa e wo studio me ne be bo enkomo tewo but ansana me ne e de enkomo twetwe be hyehyɛ so awie no e patcho tenwa so din na yentie ene asɛm a ye di tu ye hofo na ye wie pa na ya bon enkomo e wo studio Right, so by can see MTN, Afe Roma insecticide spray, Bima Insurance, and a Kojak charcoal toothpaste. You may quit Adama, ye baby tia someone, ye do 2 on 4, and a Ofie Kwanso Jumedi eso. Na and then as somewhere the 8 on 4 no. Assembia, one of my friends in Europe, share with me this morning. Now me kind of didn't we na pinams we there the muda ho. So I want to share with my listeners on the show today. Enti sister Yoko or Denmark Christiana Obapa Christi papa e pacho me chia we eti de on me che ne na no pa no eno na me so me ne ati fortune me pacho message ni say don't carry your mistakes around with you. Instead, place them under your feet and use them as stepping stones. Never regret. If it is good, it is wonderful. If it is bad, it is experience. I love this. Don't carry your mistakes around with you. Instead, place them under your feet and use them as stepping stones. Never regret. If it is good, it's wonderful. If it is bad, it's experience. Or say, one from swa waye e wasitene mu no. Men se sasa from so ni na fa mo wasafene ba bia beduru bia obu a ba beduru bia no ka. Sadio ya me e pa de adi minya ho. Ade we am here party. The bia no bobubosa. But just say, don't carry those mistakes around you. I mean, don't. Baby, I be ko bia na du achi ani ehun say wona aye mistake we say na ye dey. Obeden what me moving on in life. Or say the say we ye say. Sound from so na we ye no. Sabi. Fashion show na tiatia so. Na ye no say eno any ade a wo tiatia so atimi de atu anamon akọwanim stepping stones. Sebe abeti asiye yen imagine se wonam baby ye atechem ya che se wonante a you can't go far because ateche no tie mu ana watim but se wunya botan bi tititim e wo fom wo sa na ene otie wesu ahwie tresu tie so sa by the time you realize then you are out of that ateche na ona mu no o mistakes no use them as stepping stones ma eno engado o kasa na o pa che se esese utimi sua bibi edi free san from so na wo ye mmiri bia besen kunum se be ya ebetimi agado na wo kọ wanim no on san koye san from so ni biem anampo nkoye de chensa na timi aboa wa abrabo mu menya nuhu bia wa abrabo mu ana asetena mu se bibi ba wa kwam na ya de pa na chese no na bibi wanwaso e de amaw wo mo ani age ho Nemo se bibi ba wakwam na eye adebone a fa no se eye suahunu esan se ade bia beba wakwam mu bia no se ade ne nye kora se den na eye den a there is something you can learn from that situation and that is experience. Enti wa won fa sa tebia no mu pen ene obi a wafa sa tebia no no san krofo yi mienu etu anamon no mo koshia similar situation because you've been there before no that experience na unya free mo no and no boa mount me overcome sa situation no dan obi a on experience bi da enti aya men ma around who bebre say o kon so hwe bim ana o twamane bim ana o konya asem bi ana ade bi anko yie ana nkuguo de bi ba me pacho sem from so bi ba I am men dream bebre men titi bebre as if said the world is coming to an end. There be maybe it is giving you the opportunity to learn something. Yeah, that you know a bit me wow now dear tumpon ako enim ewa brabo yimu. Don't carry your mistakes around with you. Instead, place them under your feet and use them as stepping stones. Never regret. If it is good, it's wonderful. If it is bad, it's experience. Anyway, see. Yeah, first was done MTN. Yeah, MTN free after one. The Jan and now so then come apart. Whatever it is that